Namaste. In this video series, we are going to learn Python programming language. And in today's class, we are going to discuss what is Python, history of Python, and some features of Python for the beginners. We will see what is Python. Python is a programming language. What is meant by programming language? As we all know, computers are not self-operated devices. It works according to the instructions given by someone. So, this set of instructions together form a program. So, a program means it is a set of instructions. Then to write a program, we need some language. Then the language which is used to write a program is called programming language. That is, a programming language means it is a language which is used to write programs. And all languages have a set of rules, or we can say grammar, that have to be followed while using that language. The rules that one must follow while writing a program is called syntax of a programming language. And our Python is also having some syntax. Next is history of Python. First is about the creator of Python. Guido van Rossum is the creator of Python. And Python got the name from a famous BBC comedy show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. And Python was developed in 1991 at National Research Institute for Mathematics, Netherlands. And it is presently owned by Python Software Foundation. Next we will see the features of Python. Python is a high-level programming language. What is meant by high-level programming language? A language is for communication. In our case, communication between the user and the computer. And our computer is a machine and it can understand only machine language. But it is difficult to write programs using machine language, that is using zeros and ones. So, the programmers develop a language using which you can write programs in human understandable form, usually English. Our Python uses English words for programming. So it is a high-level programming language. Next, Python is an interpreted language. What is meant by interpreted language? See, this is my Python program. Here you can see it is written using English words, that is using high-level language. And what about our computer? It is a machine and it can understand only machine language. So it needs a translator which will convert this high-level language into machine language. And the software which are used to convert this high-level language into machine language are called language translators. There are two types of language process which will convert high-level language into machine language. First one is compiler and the second one is interpreter. Our Python uses interpreter for this conversion. And an interpreter will convert high-level language into machine language line by line. That is, it will take the first line, then convert into machine language, execute it, then come to the next line, convert, execute. And if any error occurs, then it will report the error then itself. And it will continue the translation and execution only after correcting the error. So, in interpreter, the execution is line by line execution. Python is simple and easy to learn because Python is having shorter code compared to some other programming languages. So, if you are a beginner in programming, Python is the best choice. Next feature is syntax highlighting with different colors. See, it is a Python program. Here you can see different words are highlighted using different colors. That is what is meant by syntax highlighting. It will be very useful for debugging, right? Next is Python is free and open source. Python is the free software, means you can download and use Python with free of cost. How to download and install Python I will show you later. Python is an open source software. It means the source code or the program of Python software is freely accessible for anyone. So Python is a free software and also it is an open source software, just like our Ubuntu operating system. And next is Python is a general purpose programming language. That is, It can be used for both scientific and non-scientific programming. And also, Python is a platform independent programming language. That is, it can run in different platforms like Windows, Linux, macOS, etc. And that is all for today's class. Hope you can follow me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.